Once upon a time, a princess fair found a nest with love to share. In the woods so green and wide, she gave it to a deer with pride. Sing along, a tale so grand, nature's wonders across the land. Princess kind with heart so true, a magical story just for you. Magical story just for you. Days went by, a joyous song in the deer's antlers where they belong. Not birdie small, but a surprise so wild. Baby alligators, tiny and mild. Sing along, a tale so grand, nature's wonders across the land. Princess kind with heart so true, a magical story just for you. Princess kind with heart so true, a magical story just for you. Story